Drilling a hole in wood may seem like a simple task, but there are a few things to consider before you start. Whether you're working on a DIY project or need to hang a picture frame, knowing how to drill a hole in wood properly can save you time and frustration. In this video, we'll go over the steps you need to take to safely and effectively drill a hole in wood, including what tools and materials you'll need, how to choose the right drill bit, and how to prepare the wood surface. So let's get started. I am Sam, a drilling expert from Drilling Nerd. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. Let's get started. Step 1. Mark the drilling point. Make a mark on the wood where the hole's center point to be drilled will be, then insert the bit's shaft into the drill. Step 2. Align pilot tip of the bit with marking point. Make sure that the pilot tip of the bit is aligned with the mark on the wood and that the angle of the portable drill is adjusted so that the shaft of the bit is square and perpendicular to the wood surface. You must already have the bit's angle squared to the surface of the wood if you're working with a drill press if your drill table is not squared to the motor. Step 3. Softly depress the trigger. To activate the motor in your drill, softly depress the trigger on the drill and spin the bit slowly to start it. Maintain as much control over the drill as possible to ensure that the pilot point remains aligned with the line on the wood. Pilot tips can frequently wander away from the intended center point of the hole, which is why some woodworkers will drill a tiny pilot hole with a large twist drill bit and then proceed to drill a larger hole with a spade drill bit with its pilot tip placed in the pilot hole. Step 4. Increase the drill speed. Increase the speed of the drill to drill the hole after the pilot tip is in position and connected with the wood. Keep drilling until you hit the wood's opposite direction, and the drill bit jab through to finish the hole on that side. Step 5. Bits emerging from behind workpieces. Allowing the bit to emerge from behind the workpiece to its full width reduces the motor speed and carefully withdraws the bit,